Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a kind of tutorial on a makeup look I did yesterday. Here's the picture. I did it because I got these eyeliner pens from Marc Jacobs in my influencer box. So I did a makeup look on it and it got quite a lot of feedback saying I need a tutorial. So here I am doing a tutorial. But it was kind of sunset inspired. I wanted to go for something kind of orangey, yellowy, pink. Like, I made a video just before Christmas with my friend Chloe, but something's messed up in my iMovie that I can't get half of the videos into my iMovie for some reason, and it's not on my SD card anymore, so I can't even just like re-import it, so that's a pain. I can't finish that video, but maybe one day I'll work it out and figure out how to get it on, but for now I can't. So yeah, let's get into this makeup tutorial. It would be really handy if I had a mirror. Here I am thinking I had everything I needed, but I was wrong. Right, okay, so I'm going to start off with the Urban Decay Primer Potion. So it's like one of the first times I've done a video, like tutorial on like a makeup look that I've done before. Usually I make up on the spot, whereas I know what I'm doing today. So hopefully the video won't be as long as usual. So now that I've got that primer on, the eyeshadow that I'm going in with today is from my Morphe palette. I used another few palettes in my makeup look I did yesterday, but I'm gonna try and just use this palette because then if anyone just has this palette they can do this look. Because the colours I used, they're not really necessary. I can do it with this palette. I'm just fussy. I'm gonna go in with really lightly with this little transition shade here. And then I'm going to go in with this bright yellow. I'm just kind of flicking it out as it comes to the end. I'm sorry if you can hear the wind coming through the fireplace, it's really windy today. I did the makeup yesterday as a live stream on one of the makeup groups I'm part of. I had a bit of a disaster with one of the pinks. I used the pink, actually I used the pink from this palette and it didn't look good. So the pink is going to be the only thing that I don't use from this palette. Unless I use the lighter one, but it's not bright enough. Yeah, I tried to use the pink. I tried to use this one here, but it just made me look like I'd be punched in the face. I'm going to go in with an orange, just this orange here, with a small fluffy brush. I'm just going in with this small fluffy brush. It's from one of the MAC holiday collections with that orange. And I'm just going to run that right on the edge of the yellow. I don't want to bring it up any higher than my crease. I'm just going to take a clean blending brush and just make sure that edge is actually properly blended because it doesn't look as blended as I'd like it. I'm going to take my angled brush, just the 266 by MAC, and go in with this red and then just do that kind of on the orange. And I like to do this with my eyes open so that I can see where the kind of cut crease is going to be, because like that edge is going to be where the pink is going to be under. So I like to have my eyes open and do it like right in that crease area. I hate that word so much. Crease. I'm going gonna take my clean brush and just blend the edge a bit. And then I'm gonna just go back with my little packing brush and take the red and just create kind of a triangle effect. And then blend. Right, next is the bit that went a bit weird yesterday. I added purple and it just didn't come out at all, and I don't know why. So it might happen again today. I think because orange and purple, they kind of turn muddy together. But I'm going to do it anyway because that's what happened yesterday, so I'm going to do it. I'm going in with this purple, and I might go in with a little bit of that, I'm not sure yet, but mostly this purple. Just on my packing brush, and I'm just going to pack that on the outer edge. Just take my clean blending brush and just kind of blend together those edges. I'm not going to try blend that purple too much because I don't want it to disappear. And then I'm going to take my Sarah Hill concealer just to cut out the crease area. I'm making it worse by saying crease area than just crease. I don't know why I'm saying crease area. Okay, right. Liner brush for this. So this is just a Jane Iredale, what's it called? The Jane Iredale detail brush. Just a really small tipped brush. Dip into my concealer. I usually like to take quite a lot. See, I do this with my eye open as well. I do a lot of my makeup with my eye open because I have weird shaped eyes. My eyes downturned, so it comes out weird. So I like to keep my eye open all the time when I do my makeup. And the pink I used yesterday was in this Fraulein palette, and I'm trying not to like close or open my eyes too much because it'll press up against the top. But I take this hot pink right here. You can't really tell, but it is really bright pink, and I just press that onto where I put the concealer. Right, and then I'm just gonna go in. I've got blue on my cheek. That is the only colour I use from that palette, and then I'm back to the Morphe one. I'm just gonna go in a little more with that purple. I'm just going to take a little bit of the black from the Morphe palette and just add that to the very outer corner. And then I did my foundation. But I'm just taking some of the NYX Full Living Primer and just putting that all over my face. And I'll be using the L'Oreal Infallible Foundation with the Fit Me Concealer, and I'll just do that and then come back. Right, that's me finished my foundation and concealer, and I've also powdered with the Coty Airspun. Next, I'm gonna line my lower lash line. I'm gonna take, did I do purple yesterday? Yeah, I did purple. And then I just kind of connected it with the corner of the other side. I just connected it to the top, basically. I'm just going to take some more of that yellow just to blend out the edge, because I kind of accidentally rubbed some of it away when I did my foundation. I'm just using the NYX pomade. Just on top, it's in brunette. I do quite a few live streams on like makeup groups. I don't know whether I should like start doing YouTube live streams. Might be quite cool. Right, so a lot of people have been asking how I did the glitter liner. What I did was I used the MAC Mix and Medium eyeliner stuff and the Lime Kind glitter in Leo. They don't sell these anymore. I bought every single one, so lucky for me. So I just used the tiniest little drop. You can see I made way too much yesterday because I didn't know how much to use, but just a tiny drop. Use one of these little scoopy spatula things, and then I just mix it together to make a glittery paste. Glittery paste. Then I just put it on my liner brush, and then I just do this. I'm gonna go in with a little bit more of my black eyeshadow just to deepen it up a bit. Just some black eyeshadow on the packing brush. I'm taking my Jane Iredale eyeliner. It's just a liquid liner. I'm just going to contour and highlight. I use my NYX contour palette. I use these two shades, as you can tell. And I'll just quickly do a little contour. Just going to use my Bobbi Brown bronzer in Golden Light. And it's very cool toned, which works for my pale skin. And then I'm just going to go in with my Becca highlight, which is in Opal. Right, I'm going to go away and do my mascara and eyelashes and then come back. That's me with my eyelashes on. I forgot to put on blush, so I'm just going to put that on there. I just use the Sarah Hill blush in Nectar. It's like a pinky gold, or a goldy pink. And then I've got my matte Marc Jacobs eyeliner. Yesterday I did blue on the outside coming into pink, but you can't tell because they're both so light, they just look the same. So I'm just going to put on the blue. You roll them up rather than sharpening them, which I think is really cool. Because I thought that it would be like a sharpening kind of pencil, as most pencils are. But that's a kind of funky add to it. I'm just going to put that on my waterline. I think I'm going to go for Los Angeles. It's a little bit darker. It's the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. These are just like little ones I got in like a giant box set. And I think that's me finished. I think I'm done. If anyone wants a little update on my ears, I had my ears stretched to 10 and like I took them out and now they're basically tiny little holes. So when I'm away I'm going to buy some cute little earrings that I can wear. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like and subscribe, that would be really good, and let me know if you want to see any live streams of me doing makeup. I can do that on YouTube. I think I should be able to do that on YouTube rather than doing it on Facebook in my makeup groups. Yeah, so I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.